First off, I'd like to thank everybody for joining me here today. I'm sure you wondered why I've called everyone together. Today, I would like to address a question that's been plaguing Locksport since its inception. Before I get to the question at hand, I would like to explain my method of answering the question. Using nothing but my wits, these tools, and irrefutable video evidence, I would like to pose an answer to the question: how many locks would Master Lock lock if Master Lock could lock locks? So without any further ado, let's get into this. I think with that, the answer to the question has become clear. The question of how many locks would Master Lock lock if Master Lock could lock locks would have to be: Master Lock would lock no locks, because it is in fact impossible for Master Lock to lock locks.